welcome back to my channel, or if you guys are new here for the first time, then hello, welcome. In today's video, we are doing yet another Rae Dunn haul for you guys. I know it has not been very long since I did my last Rae Dunn haul, but I have gotten a few things within the past week that I wanted to share with you guys. It is not going to be a very big haul by any means, which is how I feel like my last few Rae Dunn hauls have been. I apologize for the dogs eating in the background. I feel like I just have to say that as a disclaimer because I know a lot of people get irritated by that. But I apologize if my doggies are eating. I'm not going to stop them from eating. I also apologize if there's an echo or you feel like I'm talking really loud. I've also gotten a couple of those comments. Not really sure what's going on with that, but I do have all hardwood floors on my main level, so there's not really much I can do about that, and I am not lugging all of this stuff upstairs like I used to way back in the day. It's just too much work and too much risk of breaking something. So with all that being said, if you guys would like to see what I got within the last few days, just go ahead and keep on watching. So getting this video started, I'm going to share with you a package that I got in the mail, which I am so excited about. It is from the company called Sojos, and they have a bunch of glasses and sunglasses on their website. They sent me 4 of them, and I'm so excited to share them with you guys because they are absolutely amazing. They sent me over 4 of their glasses, and I'm so excited to share them with you guys. I opened them up and was instantly so excited and very, very excited to tell you guys about them because they are amazing quality at a really good price. So they sent me 2 sunglasses and 2 blue light glasses, I believe, if I remember correctly. Their packaging is really, really nice. So as you can see, this is the first box that I'm going into right now. And this is what the actual case looks like. So it's very, very good quality. You just open this up right here and the glasses are inside. They come nicely wrapped. I did go through pretty much all of them already, so I have seen them and I've tried most of them on. I will leave a link to their website in the description box down below so you guys can go purchase these along with the exact links to all of the glasses that I got. I do have a discount code with them. It is just Molly37, which I will also leave in the description box down below for you guys to use if you are interested. So this is the first pair of glasses that I got from them. They're really nice because they have kind of like a gold rim around the frames themselves. The sides of them are gold, and then it does have that tortoise shell on the front and on the legs. So this is what they look like. I absolutely love them so much. I like that they are a little bit bigger. I feel like it just complements my face a little bit more when sunglasses are shaped the way that these are. Now moving on to the next pair of glasses. These are some blue light glasses. So if you guys didn't know, I actually am getting real prescription glasses because I went to the eye doctor and I needed a new prescription. And I actually got ones very, very similar to these. I only need to wear them when I am driving at nighttime or if I feel like I need to see things far away. But this is what the blue light glasses look like. They are, again, that tortoise shell kind of print, and these sides are gold here. These ones do have a nose plate right here. You can see the little nose pieces instead of it just all being one piece. So this is what they look like. Sorry for the glare of the window right there, but I really like the shape of these, and I love wearing them when I am on my computer or on my phone for a longer period of time. I definitely feel like it helps a lot with me not getting headaches or anything. The first sunglasses that I got were called Motivation. The ones that I just showed you are the Ashley, and then the next 2 I will let you guys know the name of those as well. But again, if you guys are interested, they will be down below for you guys. So these glasses are the Stay Curious glasses. Again, they have an all black frame, all black leg, and then they have a cute little cutout right there on the leg. So this is what these look like. They do not have a nose piece like the last ones that I shared with you. They just have it built into the actual glasses, which in my opinion I prefer. I definitely think the tortoise shell kind of brown and different colors look a lot better on my skin tone. I feel like these look a little more harsh, but they are still cute, and I will definitely be wearing them around the house if I'm on my computer or on my phone. The last pair of sunglasses are called Moment, and I really, really like these. These are really similar to a pair that I actually have in my purse right now that I got from Madewell. I want to say back in the summer, and I have absolutely loved them. I love the shape of them, and these are almost identical to them, so I'm absolutely in love. They are all black. It does have the nose pieces in here as well. So this is what they look like. They are a very round sunglass, but I absolutely love, love, love the shape. I feel like it looks good with my face shape and everything. These are by far my absolute favorite. All right, so now that we have gone through these sunglasses that I got in the mail, we are going to move on to the Dunn portion of the haul. The first thing that I got, I actually just went and picked up this morning. One of the girls went ahead and transported it down here from Denver area. I actually traded To the Moon and Back mug for this, and I am so happy because I've been wanting this mug set for so long. It is the Red Heart mug and the Love You mug. I'm thinking of putting this one and To the Moon and Back together, so it says Love You to the Moon. I think that'd be very cute. I have no idea where I'm going to display that because I don't have a ton of room, but we are going to try to figure it out. I need to go through all my stuff because I feel like I'm having way too many mugs, especially for Valentine's Day. So we shall see, but I'm very happy to have this, and this does retail for $12.99. The next thing that I got is for my puppy dog. I finally got her the Lola Dog Bowl. This retails for $5.99. I went and picked this up today as well. One of the girls in Denver was nice enough to get this for me, so I'm very excited. I am definitely going to be using this a ton. I'm going to be switching out one of her bowls that you guys see in the background for this one. It does not have pink inside like her other ones, but still, I needed this for her. I'm hoping they come out with a Zoe bowl. I feel like that's somewhat of a common dog name, but we shall see if they end up coming out with it. The next thing that I got retails for $12.99. This is one of the gift sets that come with the Ghirardelli stuff. So I believe it comes with some chocolate and then like a cookie mix or something. So it is the Red Love You mug. I didn't know if I wanted this. I still don't know if I'm gonna keep it or not, but one of my friends was at the store and saw this and asked if I wanted it, so I said yes, but I'm still unsure. I do not enjoy how expensive these stupid gift sets are. It like adds on double the amount that you pay for a mug, which is kind of crazy to me, but we shall see. The next thing that I got is another red mug. $5.99 again is what the mugs retail for. I found this at Marshall's. I went after work one day and actually found quite a few things for a bunch of my Dunn buddies. So this is the red XOXO mug. This was the last one. I'm definitely going to be keeping this one and the heart one. I'm just not 100% on the Love You one. So we shall see what I figure out with my little display over here, but I am very happy to have my XOXO red mug. Speaking of XOXO mug, one of my clients actually got this for me for Christmas, and she gave it to me when she came in to the salon the other day. She actually got it at Marshall's the same exact day I found the red XOXO. So it is the white XOXO mug with the cute little hearts on the front, and it has the red on the inside. This one is very cute as well, but I have 3 XOXO mugs now. I have the all white XOXO, this one, and then the red one. So I do not need all 3 of them, but I'm trying to decide which ones I want to keep and which ones I want to get rid of. The next thing that I got, one of my friends got this for me as well. I actually got 2 of them. I got one for my Dunn buddy, and then I got one for me, which I'm actually going to trade part of it for something that I'm so excited about, which you guys will see in one of my upcoming hauls in the next few weeks. So it is the Queen Bee teapot set. So it comes with this and the cute new little honey pot that has the little bee on it. This retails for $19.99, I believe. So I think it's absolutely adorable. Like I said, I will be trading the teapot. I absolutely love it, but I just don't have anywhere to put it, and I don't collect teapots. I really like the new little honey bee on there as well. I do not like the yellow top, and unfortunately, I was going to switch my old top with this top, and this top does not fit on the old honey pot. It is too big. So there goes that idea. I think I'm just gonna keep my old honey pot that I had and trade this one or try and sell it because, yeah, I'm kind of sad, but my idea did not work, unfortunately. The next thing that I got, I'm going to end up selling because I ended up just picking it up to see if anyone needed it, but it is the XOXO baby canister. This retails for $7.99, which I feel like is really cheap. I feel like the baby ones usually retail for $9.99, so I'm not exactly sure what happened with that, but I'm definitely going to be selling this, seeing if anyone wants it. And then the last thing that I got came in a set for $19.99. It came with a butter dish. I do not need another butter dish. I already have the one that I like, but the only reason why I wanted the set is because it came with these salt and pepper shakers. I don't know why, but I really like them. I like how simple they are, and it's nice that they actually do have the little openings on the top. I do have the Mug salt and pepper shakers right back here that I've hauled before as well, but I thought these would be good to keep in my cabinet for when I'm cooking and stuff, or even put it up on my stove area. I do have the Cellars as well, so I definitely did not need them, but they were very cute, so I decided to pick them up. So that is going to be it for this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and make sure you're subscribed to my channel down below. Thank you guys so much for watching as always, and I will see you in my next one. Bye, stay marvelous.